Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and very good morning to all of you. I hope you are safe and sound. Welcome to Melly's Telegram classes. This is the grammar lesson for advanced level. In this lesson, we're going to talk about a noun clause. So up to now, we have talked about two types of dependent clauses, an adjective clause and an adverb clause. Today, we're going to talk about a noun clause. What is a noun clause? It is a kind of dependent clause which functions as a noun in the sentence. It's pretty simple. A noun clause functions as a noun in a sentence. It begins with one of these three markers. So I'm sure that you're familiar with the word markers. Every clause has markers. The markers of noun clause are that, if or whether, and WH words, all the WH words. Now, a noun clause can be derived from three things, or you can say a noun clause has three different types. Number one, a statement. Number two, a yes-no question. And three, a WH question. Whenever a noun clause is derived or taken from a statement, in that case, the marker is that. For a yes-no question, the marker is if or whether. And we will talk about the difference between if or whether. And number three, whenever a noun clause is derived or taken from a WH question, the markers in that case are WH words, any one of them. Now, we will talk about a noun clause which is taken from a statement. To understand it better, I will teach you the cases of a noun clause which is taken from a statement. The first case is as the subject of the sentence. You can use a noun clause as the subject of a sentence. For example, that she does not want to learn is her problem. So, what is her problem? That she does not want to learn. This is a noun clause which is taken from a statement, and the statement is she does not want to learn. To make it a noun clause, you simply add that. Next example, that Allah is one is a fact. What is a fact? That Allah is one. Next example, that she doesn't want to come is known to me. What is known to me? That she doesn't want to come. In all these three examples, the marker that is used is that. Note, it is also possible to use noun clause with the preparatory subject it. A preparatory subject is also called unreal subject or anticipatory subject. For example, you can say the same sentence, that she does not want to learn is her problem, like this. It is her problem that she does not want to learn. In this sentence, the real subject is that she does not want to learn. But it is called an anticipatory or preparatory or unreal subject. Next example, it is a fact that Allah is one. Once again, the real subject is that Allah is one, and it is the unreal or preparatory subject. Next example, it is known to me that she doesn't want to come. Let's talk about the second case, which is as the object of the sentence. For example, number one, we found out that she does not want to learn. So, what did we find out? That she does not want to learn. The noun clause is that she does not want to learn, and the marker here is once again that. Number two, everyone accepts that Allah is one. 3. I don't know that she doesn't want to come. Case number 3. As the complement of be. A noun clause can also be used to complete the meaning of a to be verb. For example, my greatest asset is that I am a hard worker. So what is my greatest asset? That I am a hard worker. Here, the noun clause that I'm a hard worker is completing the meaning of the to be verb is. Next example, your problem was that you never practiced speaking English. Next, her excuse is that she lives far away. Let's do an exercise. Find the noun clauses in the following sentences and state the case. In each sentence, you have a noun clause, you have to find the noun clause and tell which case of the noun clause is used. Number 1, the king ordered that the traitor should be hanged. Let me do it. Here, the noun clause is that the traitor should be hanged. And if you see, it is used as the object of the sentence. Good luck with the rest of them. Alright, now let me share the answers with you. Number 2, it is certain that we will have to admit the defeat. What is certain? That we will have to admit the defeat. This is the noun clause and it is used as a subject after the unreal or preparatory subject it. Number 3, he said that he would not go. That he would not go is a noun clause and it is used as the object of the sentence. Number 4, that he is not interested in the offer is known to us. What is known to us? That he is not interested in the offer. This noun clause is used as the subject of the sentence. Let's do 4 more sentences. So, now let me talk about the answers. Number 5, he said that he was not feeling well. That he was not feeling well is used as the object of the sentence. 6, it is no shame that he lives simply. What is no shame? That he lives simply. That he lives simply is used as the subject after the unreal or preparatory subject it. Number 7, the problem is that he always comes late. Here, the noun clause is that he always comes late and it is used as the complement of be, the to be verb is. And the last one, it was fortunate that he was present. That he was present is used as the subject after it. This concludes our session for today. Do not forget the exercise that is attached to the same video. Remember, this was just a short version of our today's lesson. The same lesson is taught in complete details in our regular classes. Thank you very much for being with us.